Hello kids, today we will do sorting activity which is based on size. In this activity, we will use pulses. There are three kinds of pulses. First is kidney beans, second is white chana and third is brown chana. First we will pick which is bigger in three. This is kidney beans. Collect all kidney beans and put in the one bowl one by one. After that we will collect white chana which is smaller than the kidney beans and pick in the second bowl. This activity improvises the fine motor skills of the kids and they can easily grouping the things with the help of this activity. All white chana are picked in the second bowl. These are the smaller than the kidney beans. Now in our first bowl kidney beans, in second white chana, in third bowl we will drop all brown chana which is smaller than the kidney beans and the white chana. So this activity is based on size. Now we will do another activity. This activity is based on colors. In this activity we are using two pulses. First one is orange and second one is yellow. First of all we will pick all yellow pulses. It is time consuming. It improvises the eyesight of the kids and concentration power. All yellow pulses are collected in the first ball. Now we will drop orange pulses on the second ball. Hope you enjoy this activity. You can use any other objects for this activity rather than pulses. This is your choice.